Right guys, let's see, in this video we are going to discuss few problems on EMF equation which are previously asked in various competitive exams. Mostly problems will be there in this question paper. Let's see. A 4-pole dynamo with wave connected armature has 51 slots containing 20 conductors in each slot. 20 conductors in each slot. This is number of conductors. The induced EMF they given as 357. The speed given as 8500. Now they are asking flux per pole. What we know, E is equals to 5p n by 60 into Z by A. Yes? EMF they given 357. Flux we need to calculate, poles 4, speed they given 8500 upon 60 into number of conductors 51 into 20 divided by number of parallel paths 2 because of wave. 0, 0 cancelled, 2, 2 cancelled. So what next, sir? What next, sir? 2 3s are 17 3s are, sorry, 3 2s are, 3 17s are, 3 2s are, 3 17s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 17, 17 1s, 17 2s are, 34 and 17 1s are. Next, what is flux? Phi is equals to 21 by 2 into 8500. So how we can calculate, sir? That is 21 by 160, 170 into 100, 170 into 100, we need to calculate this. So 21 by 17 milli, 21 by 17 milliwebers, that is 1.17, 17 means another 4, 40, 2s are, yes, 1.2 milliwebers will be our answer. This is way of calculation without calculator. Next question. Let's go for next question. A 8-pole DC generator has simplex wave winding, 32 coils of each 6 turns. 32 coils of each 6 turns. Nothing but the number of conductors is equals to 32 into 6 into 2 because every turn can have 2 conductors. Flux per pole 0.06, rotating at 250 rpm. I think we have already calculated this question. 5p n by 60 into Z by A. Phi they given 0.06. Number of poles 8. Speed 250 by 60. Number of conductors 32 into 6 into 2 upon 2. 6 tens are 0 0, 25 ones, 25 fours are, 4 ones, 4 twos are, 2 ones, 2 ones, 32 into 6 into 2, 32 into 12, 384. 384 will be our answer. We already solved this question. This is previously Genco, Transco, GATE, IAS, already repeated question, sir. Let's go for next question. DC generator running at 1500 rpm, which is a 4-pole machine. 4-pole 1500, nothing but the frequency is 50 Hz. We know already, this is the standard value. N is equals to 120 F by P. Speed they given 1500, 120 into frequency by number of poles, 4 ones are 4 30s are, 3 ones are 3 50s are, the frequency 50 Hz. Very simple question. Determine a 6-pole flux pole for DC machine having number of conductors 240, generating an open circuited voltage of 500 volts, which rotating at 1000 rpm. They are asking flux per pole. I hope this question already we solved in previous questions. E is equals to 5p n by 60 into Z by A, where E is given as 500, I don't know the flux, number of poles 6, speed is 1000 upon 60, number of conductors 240 upon A is a lap connected or wave connected, sir? Is a wave connected. Wave connected. 6 ones are 6 tens are 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 120s are 1 2 1 2 cancel. So 5 is equals to 5 by 120 is a 0.04. Is it? 0.50, 0 500, 124s are 480 ultimately. That will be our answer. A simple calculated question, of course. Next question, sir. A two-pole wave connected. Two-pole wave connected. Number of conductors given as 120. In each parallel path, they given 120 conductors in each parallel path. So actually the total number of conductors are 240 because of 120 of 2 times. Yes or no, guys? Flux per pole 0.02. Speed given as 1200. So the induced EMF 5P N by 60 into Z by A, where flux 0.02 we can written as 2 by 100, number of poles 2, number of speed they given as 1200 by 60, number of conductors 240 you should consider, and parallel paths 2. Why 240? In each parallel path 120, I can have 2 parallel path. Here Z bole to kya hai? The total number of conductors. 1 2 3 1 2 3, 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 2 gets cancelled. So EMF E is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 of the 24, 80 and 16 96, 80 and 16 96, 96 volts will be your answer. A very simple question, sir. Like a simply mostly we can expect the numerical question on this. Yes or no, guys?